is his weak spot. Just play it up. Convince him to say what he knows. Then drop him. He's too reckless. He's too dangerous. Where are you?
I don't think you're gonna like my answer.
You know what? Forget it. I don't need whatever you got. You brought me nothing but trouble. We're done talking.
Oh, too late, Aiden. You won't believe where I am. Never mind, I'll send you the feed. Find a TV and have a look.
That's Nikki's house. What are you doing?
You should hurry, my boy. Your pretty sister needs you.
Damien! Damien, what are you doing?
What's wrong with you?
'Played me. That son of a bitch played me and I let him. What's he doing, Nikki's? No, he won't hurt them. I'll kill him if he touches them. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work with him. Find the guys who attacked us? Fuck that. I need to take him down. Hang in there, guys. I'm coming. What?
6 years old. It's tragic.
Where are they?
Such a waste. All of this, it's such a waste. You know, the real tragedy here is that somebody like you was surrounded by so many fragile things. It makes you fragile.
Where?
That's not how it works. You don't want to answer that.
Yeah. Nikki! Where are you? Nikki!
Stop and think. You fuck around and she is dead. This isn't how I wanted it. But this is where we are. If you'd listened to me, things would be different.
Just tell me where they are.
Where they are, there's only Nicky. That little boy. I don't know where he is. Now this is what's gonna happen. That points to a hard drive. I told you there was another hacker. That will lead you to his computer. Get it? And you'll find out who ordered the hit on us.
What do you really want?
You lost your right to question me. I want that hard drive, that's all you need to know, and that's the price for Nikki. Stop overthinking, Aiden. I'll need regular updates. In exchange, you get to talk to Sis. Quid pro and all that.
This won't end well for you.
Perhaps, but don't get clever. I really have no problem killing that girl. We'll talk soon, partner.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There. He's on the L. Oh, shit. Someone's after him.
There you are. I was worried.
The DedSec hacks you gave me. Can I control the L?
The trains? Yes, but
I need that right now. How do I do it?
it's locked. Hold on. I'm sending something. It's a zero-day exploit. The trains won't recognize the hack, but it only works once.
Send it now.
It's sent. What happened, Aiden?
I don't have time. Meet me at the Al Motel later, okay? I can't reach him in time. Right, hack the train. Get Jackson moving and away from these guys.
Check every car. Kid's here somewhere.
All right, that's bought me time. The next station. Hold on, kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! Alright, get to the next station. Go! Go! Hit him! Keep searching! Where'd he go? Anyone got him? Call it off. He's gone.
Mala mia, bro.
Now, they get these digital trips these kids are going on. They're just as bad. They're messing up these kids' brains. And now it's spread out to my neighborhood.
Jax. You're safe now. All right? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me. All right. We're gonna find your mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pearce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay? Men at the house said this. This is good, Jax. It's good.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pearce? Where's Nikki?
Yeah, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and, I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days. We'll pay you, of course.
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
That'd be great, thank you.
Nikki needs to grieve. I know it's hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Hey, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble. Let's go.
See you soon.
Go.
Southbound train arriving shortly. Northbound train arriving shortly.
Look at that guy, jeez. Whoa, we got roads, man.
I'm heading into a tough neighborhood. I need to be prepared. How's it going?
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
Authorities at Chicago Correctional Center
Almost
are
too
triple
hard to
checking
do
their security
something,
protocols
right?
today after a prison break. Facts are sketchy, but we do know that at least one prisoner managed to make it past all security checkpoints.
Come back if you need anything else.
¿Qué fregados está haciendo?
Racine's in Brandon docks, and I got no CTOS access there. Yeah, I better hack the district control center first.
Looks like we got the guy. We'll check him out. I'm gonna ram him! Shit, I need help!
Hold up. Take him on.
Squad leaders are to assist. Over.
Get out.
Be advised, units are en route to the suspect location.
I'm going to your side. Watch out.
Hold it over now!
We're gonna clip him.
Stop the fucking vehicle!
I've been hit.
Give it up! Pull over!
I'm gonna take this guy out. Going in for a hit.
Oh, we will shoot you!
Squad, requesting an ambulance ASAP. Don't try to give up. Suspect shouldn't have gotten far. Let's flush him out. Squad, this is 725 David. We need an MPB on the suspect.
Police are searching for another missing young woman. 18-year-old Delia Parks from Kansas City was visiting Chicago with friends when she went missing 2 weeks ago. This brings the toll of missing women to 14 this year.
I'm hurting. Seriously, if I don't get a real raise...
You don't want to be job hunting this year. Suspicious object sighted. Go investigate. Okay.
This is not...
This looks like Bloom surveillance. Are they actually monitoring private homes? All right, I'm in. Now, Racine. Let's find out what you know about Nikki. Racine. Let's see where that is. Gotcha, Robert Racine.